Here's Mike. Today I want to talk about sub $1 stock that may have some huge potential here. And the company is called Bigg Digital Assets Inc. It trades on the OTC markets under symbol BBKCF. It was down 7% yesterday, down to 38 cents. However, if you look over the past month, this was a stock that had a pretty big run. In the past month, it was at 20 cents, moved up to 40 cents. So it pretty much doubled. Now it's giving back some of those gains, which is expected when you have a huge, you have a 100% gain over 1 month, you're going to get some people selling. So I would expect it maybe to move back to 30 cents before it begins to move higher again. However, the space that Bigg's digital assets is in, I think is really interesting. And what basically the company does is they do compliance for crypto for companies that do business with cryptocurrency, and they're based in Canada. So if you're using crypto in Canada, you need to make sure that your business is in compliance to deal with money laundering or terrorism. So they have a bunch of these products that allow you to handle cryptocurrency transactions and make sure that you're complied and the transactions can be verified and all that stuff. Now, I think the real reason why Bigg Digital Assets is going to do really well is that not with just the rise of Bitcoin, but cryptocurrency transactions are going to become more mainstream. And because of that, you're going to need companies that need to do compliance with their cryptocurrency transactions. So, of course, companies like Bigg Digital Assets is going to benefit from that. I think this is definitely a company that if you own it and kind of leave it alone and not worry about it for 5 years, it'll definitely be a stock that will probably be off the OTC markets and be like, a regularly listed company that'll have lots of revenue, lots of big clients. It could potentially be, a $5, $10 stock, but it's definitely a company that you want to stay in for the long term. And since it's 38 cents, it's not like you need to make a huge investment in it. In fact, I'm going to look at getting into it. What I'm basically going to be looking for here is I'm going to wait for it to come down to 30 cents and then wait for it to move back up again, because I do anticipate a sell-off in January. But I do want to keep this on my radar, and I want just to introduce you to the stock so you can keep it on your radar, because everything that's involved with everything from Bitcoin to Bitcoin miners to cryptocurrency compliance companies, all these companies I think are going to have some incredible gains over the next 5 to 10 years. You look at the blow-off price in Bitcoin yesterday, blew through 20,000 and headed straight towards 24,000 before selling back down. I think cryptocurrency is going to become mainstream over the next decade, and because of that, you want to take advantage of any company that has any relation to anything related to cryptocurrency. From Bitcoin itself, again, to the miners, to cryptocurrency compliance companies. So definitely take a look at Bigg Digital Assets. It trades on the OTC markets on the symbol BBKCF. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.